Damn, that was a lot of cookies. Very nice payout. Thank you very much, Central Iowa Towing.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Dashin Dave here again. Please click that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you very much.
All right, Monday, November 14th, 2022. I did not work Saturday, took the day off. Sunday I came out for a few hours, mainly doing the spark thing, because the anticipated customer demand bar graph indicated that Sunday was rocking and rolling busy all during the day. I had 3 offers. 2 I missed because they were, first come, first serve. I had 1 completed trip. And the app did not sing in that much during the day, just 3 times. So I'm not sure what's going on there. The Walmart associate gal that brought out my order at about 8:45 Sunday morning yesterday, I asked her, I said, how busy is it on Sundays for, pickups and all that? And she said, for people coming and getting their own orders, it's just slamming. For us delivery guys, she said, not so much. So I'm not sure why the customer demand bar graph was so high for Sunday. We're still working on the 20 trips needed for the $210 incentive. Since I had 1 trip yesterday, we're up to 16. We got 4 more to go before the end of Friday. We're going to make that no problem. So I did a little bit of Doordashing yesterday to fill in the fact that I wasn't getting any Spark orders, and Uber was just $3 and $4 orders yesterday. But DoorDash was hitting pretty good, except then all of a sudden it took a little dive. And I unassigned an order. That brings my completion rate down to 91. And for the next 2 weeks, since I don't know where those unassigns are, I don't tally that. I cannot unassign an order. Got to get up above 95 for the end of the month to stay on the large order program. My acceptance rating at one point yesterday dipped below 70 for the first time since the acceptance rate reset. And it was kind of ironic. The next 2 orders were absolute trash, no tip, $2.75 orders going like 7 miles away. I know a lot of people would go, that's cause and effect. You got below the top tier and now they're sending you trash. Here's the thing, I'll bet you those orders got passed around to everybody. $2.75 going, halfway to Minnesota, come on. Okay, so I was at 69% acceptance rating there, and then I got those 2 trash orders. Then the very next order was a banging $7.75 plus. It ended up paying like $9.80. And then the next order or 2 that I accepted that were okay brought me back up to 71%. So we're at 71% acceptance rating as we start this week. So I've got Uber fired up right now. Haven't had any pings on Uber. We're gonna spark now and get to sparking. We will go till 10, at which time I have my Doordash app scheduled hours set. Okay, we're sparking. Let's just make sure the GPS knows where we're at. Okay, little bar, then a little bar, then a little bar, then a shorter bar, and then right about 2 o'clock, we got some big bars. I'll get a screenshot of that real quick. Okay, so we got some big bars right around 2 o'clock. So if I can get a couple orders between 2 and 3 or so before I decide to hang it up today with that $5 incentive on each job between 2 and 6, that'll help out a lot.
Don't touch that dial.
So we're sitting here at the South Walmart. This is the one that I've picked up the most from and staged out of, and kind of like these trips a little bit better than the ones out of the North Walmart. And then remember last week that $5 incentive, that $8 incentive that we had for a short period of time last week was only out of this South Walmart, not the North Walmart. So that begs the question, is this one just a little underserved compared to the one up north? Very well could be. So this might be the place to be. So anyway, we'll see what the day holds. Kind of a gray overcast day. We've got snow coming for the next 72 hours or so, 36, 72 hours, about 3 inches total accumulation by the end of Wednesday night. Nothing major, but people will be taking reservations for the ditches. Yes, they will, because we don't know how to drive in the wintertime for the first few snows. All right, as we wait for the first order to hit, I don't think I've discussed this. I talked about it, shot some video for it, and then deleted it to shorten up a previous video. How do you get paid on Spark? Okay, Spark is the delivery app that I believe is owned by DDI, which is Delivery Drivers Inc., and then Walmart bought them, so they're owned by Walmart. Okay, when your payment is processed, it is sent to an app called Branch, which is similar to Venmo. You can get a debit card on there. You can load money on there. I guess you can use it to pay for things and stuff and so on and so forth. I tried to look up my credit union for direct deposit from Branch, and it didn't show up. Small little credit union in central Iowa. So payday is Tuesday. It gets sent from Walmart Spark to DDI, which are basically the same thing, to Branch. And then Tuesday morning, I will get up and then manually transfer the funds from Branch to my bank account. And that's how the payment thing works. They always say, 2 to 3 business days. I've always found on my transfers on Venmo occur within a 24-hour period, if not sooner. But let's just say it does take the full 2 to 3 days. That would effectively make payday from Walmart Spark / DDI to Branch to your bank account roughly about Thursday or Friday would be the payday. So we'll see how that all works out when that happens tomorrow morning, Tuesday. And then another thing about Tuesday, tomorrow Tuesday and then Wednesday are the next delivery online sales surges like we did last week, delivering those 55-inch screen TVs. That's tomorrow and Wednesday. And then it escapes me right now, but I believe it's a Thursday and a Friday of the next week, or a Friday of the next week. We can look at the graph here real quick. I think I got it saved. But anyway, so yeah, tomorrow and then Wednesday of this week will be the surge for delivery for the online sales and everything. Hopefully be delivering a whole bunch of new TVs to people.
5 hours later.
Damn, that was a lot of cookies. Very nice payout. Thank you very much, Central Iowa Towing. Okay, wow. Been a last crazy few minutes here. That 100 cookie pack that I delivered out to Central Iowa Towing. Very nice, good payout there. And when I picked that up, I mentioned to the girl at Insomnia Cookies, this was the most cookies I'd ever delivered. And she says, I got another one coming up a little bit while later. I hope you get it too.
15 minutes later.
I just did. But anyway, no biggie. We'll get this 100-pack cookie, second one for the day, banged out, and then go do the shop and deliver. That will be not underneath the $5 incentive because it's not 2 o'clock yet. Okay, I know why the mileage was so great on this one with the 100 cookies. I was on Duff. Have to come out here into Campus Town to pick up the cookies. That's where Insomnia Cookies is at on Welch Avenue, right in the heart of Campus Town. It's going out to the Cornerstone Church, which is all the way out way past east of Duff. So that's why it's going to be a 10-mile round trip based on my location to the customer. But that's great because that's where I want to be in order to get to the South Duff Walmart. I'll be, 2 miles away, but on the right side of town. Yeah, I walked in there and she came around the corner and I said, me again? She goes, you got the other one, good. She goes, you're making good money today. And I said, yeah. I said, that last one was $35 from Central Iowa Towing. And she goes, this one's 28. And I said, it's on there on the receipt. And she goes, yeah, sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. So we're heading out to the Cornerstone Church, another $28 in the pocket. So anyway, in the last hour, I'll have delivered 200 cookies for $63. Wow. Okay, and I kind of forgot about the actual pay for that second set of 100 cookies. So it's actually $71.58 in the last hour delivering cookies.
A few moments later.
Alright, sir, I apologize about that wait. I went ahead, I got that order removed for you. If it happens to pop back up, since it is having those issues and this is the second time you've accepted it, I wouldn't accept it again because it's likely going to continue having that problem. But let me know if it cleared from the app for you, okay?
I got the notification. I just cleared off the app, turned it back on. I'm clean. I'm clear. So thank you very much.
Perfect. Of course. Is there anything else I could do for you today, sir?
Nope, that's it. Thank you very much. All right, so I showed up to do the shop and deliver here at Walmart. Got here, swiped arrive, got out of Speedwagon. I was walking up to the front door. You know, it was going through its paces saying, hang on a minute, we're getting everything ready for you. I walk in the store, I look down, and it wants me to scan the QR code at the register. So after some configuring and talking to one or two of the associates in there who said, sorry, we can't help you, I unassigned and canceled the trip, and then it came back to me again with another $1. So I thought, okay, let's start from scratch again. Arrived at store, bang, immediately took me to the QR code page where I'm supposed to scan the QR code on the self-checkout register. I couldn't see the list, it didn't have me scan the items, yada, yada, yada. It just skipped all that. So I called support this time, got a hold of them in less than a minute. Kevin was very good, and he said, I explained the whole thing to him. He goes, I totally understand. He goes, this is a known issue with some shop and delivers we are currently experiencing with the app. Had me go to the app to find out what version I was using. Then he said, let me cancel the trip. And he said, well, I'm having some issue. I can't do that on my end. I said, I can do the question mark thing and cancel it. He goes, no. He goes, that'll affect your metric. He goes, I can't do it. I'm going to send you over to Hannah. Got with Hannah within a couple minutes, and she was able to clear it off my app. She said, if it comes up again, don't accept it. But before Kevin handed me off to Hannah, I said, should I not take any shop and delivers? And he said, no, you can try. He goes, once this is an issue, it's an issue with a particular delivery. Apparently, he goes, if you get another one and you want to take it, it'll probably go through, but in case it does, do the same thing, call us again. We want to know about it. So it's a known issue as of November 14th, 2022, that in some markets and some versions of the app, he asked me if I had an Android or an iOS, yada, yada. There could be a possibility that you do a shop and deliver, and when you swipe arrive, it skips everything and takes you right to the checkout page where you're supposed to scan the QR code. Okay, so apparently that is a known issue at this time. Okay, the $8.60 trip at the top of the page is the one I did this morning. It appears that I got paid $11 twice for the snafu. They saw that I unassigned the first one, and when I explained it to them, they understood that. And then I called them on the second snafu. So it appears that I got $11 for that each time. That's what it's showing. We'll see if that sticks around. I'm actually pleasantly surprised to see that. You know, they were $13 trips. So yeah, apparently I got paid because of that issue. Remember, the only reason I canceled it the first time and didn't call support was I didn't want to jump through the hoops, quite frankly. And so, yeah, I'm showing $30.60 payment for the day. All right, very good. Got $11 for my time on each one of those. Fantastic. And it shows status completed at 3 p.m. Okay, arrived at 2:10. The next one arrived at 2:25. That would be about right. So for my troubles for calling support as of right now with this snafu, this issue that the app is having, I got $22 pay for roughly about a half hour here of dealing with it. Cool. And he said, or Hannah said, they both said, if it happens again, please call us. We want to know about it. So this is one of those times where you're kind of doing your part to help everybody out by calling, you know, support to let them know. Or in this case, they already knew that there was an app issue and they're working on it. So, all right, well, that's cool. $22 for that, for playing ball. All right, well, that kind of seals it then. I'm going home.
All right, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you can take something from this video and put it to use for yourself. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.